Hey there, health enthusiasts. Today, I'm diving into a hot topic in the world of longevity, NMN. Nicotinamide Mononucleotide, or NMN, is a naturally occurring compound that's gaining fame for its potential anti-aging benefits. So what makes NMN so special? It's all about NAD+. NMN is a direct precursor to NAD+, a vital coenzyme found in every living cell. When you consume NMN, it converts into NAD+, which plays a crucial role in energy production, DNA repair, and regulating gene expression. As we age, our NAD+ levels tend to decline. This drop is linked to decreased cellular function and various age-related diseases. But here's the exciting part. Supplementing with NMN could potentially boost NAD+ levels, supporting metabolic health and improving mitochondrial function. In simpler terms, it might help slow down some aspects of aging. You might be wondering where to find NMN. It's naturally present in small amounts in foods like broccoli, cabbage, and avocado. But let's be real. Munching on veggies alone might not give you a significant NAD+ boost. That's why many turn to NMN supplements, which are getting quite popular in the health and wellness community. But remember, while early studies are promising, we still need more research to fully understand the long-term benefits and safety of NMN supplements. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement. In summary, NMN is a promising player in the quest for longevity, potentially aiding in maintaining cellular health and energy metabolism. Stay curious and stay healthy. Catch you in the next video.